Okay, so at approximately 3:20 this morning, Rockdale County deputies responded to a shooting. It was at the Lake St. James apartment complex in Conyers. Upon deputies' arrival, they observed a black male, lying on the ground suffering from a gunshot wound. Unfortunately, the victim did die on the scene. We do have a suspect. His name is going to be, what is his name? His name is Jamichael Jones. We currently do have warrants for his arrest, but right now he's not in custody.
Is there any connection between the victim and the suspect?
So there is no connection. What we know and what I can tell you is that Mr. Morel Orr, which is the victim, was visiting a female friend at the complex, and Mr. Jamichael Jones did know the female, and it was a domestic situation.
Do you have any leads on where he might be at this time?
We don't have any leads. We did search the known locations that we thought he may be at, but we did not have any luck finding him.
Did you say it's a love triangle?
No, it's not a love triangle, not at all, because the victim did not know the suspect.
Was the female with the victim? Did they ride together to the complex, or did you want to visit her?
I don't know that. I just know they were together at the apartment complex.
Would you say what message you have for the community who lives in that area and lives in that complex who might be afraid for their safety?
I wouldn't say that this has anything to do with the area. I think it was an isolated situation. It was a domestic situation. We are asking the public for their help in locating Jamichael Jones. He is from the Atlanta, Jonesboro area that we know of.
What words can you share about the victim? Obviously, he's a known person, and this is a lot of people have feelings about it. It's got a lot of attention.
Yes. From what I know, I believe his name was Trouble. And he's an Atlanta rapper. Unfortunately, I don't have too much information on it because I don't follow rap. But I know that there is a lot of people that are really upset right now, are brokenhearted about the situation.
You say how many times he was shot?
He was shot one time. He was shot in the chest.
Is he awake or
I don't know that.
have you all been in touch with any family members?
Yes. The mother is aware, and I'm sure she's not dealing with it too well. I don't know about any other family members, but the mother was notified.
Where in the complex was he shot? Was it inside, outside?
He was inside the apartment.
Is there any other details that you can share with us at this time? It seems the situation is a little.
So right now, the current warrants that we do have for the Jamichael suspect is we have home invasion. So that does tell you that he was at home. He entered the home, I'm sorry. We have felony murder, and we also have aggravated assault. So if that's a little bit more helpful.
Is there a phone number that people need to call if they have information or tips or anything like that?
So yes, we're asking the public if they know any or have any information about the incident, they can call the Rockdale County Sheriff's Office at 770-278-8188. Or you can call our main line at 770-278-8000.